And this election is not about NDC against NPP. It's Ghana against NPP. Say you send a signal. Emma the whole Ghana. No more who says 7th December no. About on a year, you have 2 more Beatrice NDC. And NDC has already won the elections before even on the 7th. And I've been making sure said the next 30 minutes, no, Accra is going to be standstill. She said, victory is ours, inshallah. Answer no mubebano, not dollar to the citizens. For 50 pesos, almost in the world, you do. But some of them making sure sending a very stable. But they say no dollar, city to $1, no 17. And they say, wow, be sure more one sabe be other. And say more Congo. I say yena yaman ko fatu to nyama. Most of the stores are for the MPPs. And they say some of can there. Or moon trono amudi kandi ba power no. And no abim no more to us no. And they amfa. This year, so Obia was a chrono or boy, and you say yes, so young Bianco Foni, no more 40 or number 8. Sir, Akufado, and in the Bowiano. You are too much corruption. Just imagine, Kwame Nkrumah time. John Dramani Mahama, your president, no Basu Fro. Omaboka say almost 200 billion. But who got that for Akorano? Onukwal 8 years. Waboroskai 721 billion. Just imagine. Who would 1 billion crown? What then? It's new Baba Quatima Aboka Saudi Utina got 200,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, it's got 200 million. NPP before Nabakas. NPP before Nabakas. Into this year, I was so into Biase. Oh, no, my head took about here. Umbrella sign. No Fatima, John Dramani Mahama. Victory is ours. It is possible, inshallah. Okay, more GDA pass area, John Giovanni Mahama. A year can I MPP for Abregu Hormono. A cano bet me, and I say, San Obesia. Saying in a Kaboma, and then I think Kabomia Juma, and then I say, Kabomia, I bet me to Asakano. It's so move free to my. It is possible, I can say I can implement it, and it is possible, and I am possible. The MPP, the Mabbe say, I'm that one. Yeah, none is a matsise and Kofoka Case or mining wire than more NDC for me. I'm more mining wire if you say Mona Masha that day prices are to Tomonia Maso said a bear a man for Ebecaso, a binding yard, a binding yard. Omona Motisu and Tisu. I disakunja. Yes, one at Tisu. The best one at Tisu. MPP for Akufado Nina, my phone at Tisu. It is Omutisua. Omuna Mama. Bibia ayedi. It is also bisa market ni bi say but who dey na say one kind of so NDC na MPP ni e ya ban no ana ma dey na ayedi. Mo say your president John Dramani Mahama say uko vote no bi ma Oscar. Jina vote tia ni panu. Me say how this cabinet me vote meji ma vote tia o. Ma vote ma the umbrella. E tuma wura. Baba ye tuma asisa Ghana. Okay, Mama Chow. More GDA say, you are John Giovanni Mahama or Bar. I'm not one no ever from. Okay, I'm from I can say, you to the Hawaiian Peso be a Mexica, young Pobieska, you pay Jumaye, send your home back to you. Young Casso be a Mexica, Nabi, Yan Jumaye, I can't say, you to me, I did this affair. Oh, I've been from Kokra, running Kokra, you to me, I NDC, you pay Jumapa, you to me now, NDC, I'm before I go. Oh, dear. Okay, let me be say sisi I flag here kita me say we green wave no but I na ewo mu no ye
but I ewo mu say you be say akra nyina ye green say you kire omo say you to are sorry we are rising like first no ye mama when you say oh NPP to my NPP and then no say you kire omo say akra rising the youth all are rising
we are rising like the wave of the sea. Yes, original. Yes, original.
Mama ka sam chiro. Enne dia Ghana aye. Onipa bia obe support NPP oye wicked. Nitimu ode. O mojanufo. O ya roba. O tutu bottom. Ebe jomo. Ya family number 1 the whole Ghana ninie. Bye bye.
Liba fa beja.
Wa ka sambo ezu. Ezu. Ya fa.
Abusiafo na chese enche na ye kwa kwato aba nyame ya aduma memenda ya ye nyina ye kosala na ya to aba so man ba pa nti me nua ba yi asem emfa odo ye wu wabusu ani bi anya free education bi ho mfa so
mebusuafo anya but ye braye me sister ko free education e wo say ye tua class sika me man ko free SHS but me papa tua sika ma me tena fie e ye free me tua classes me nua ba tena fie 3 man no ha ma adwe on sua ade so anim buki nim ye to buki ti free no na mfa so wo so ne de mama en tua sika na nkola ni sua ade 3 months emboa bebre wo fie nti mfa so ne so ne sen nti misra ban se oba ebom mani ntwem bo mu make sure so nkola ne betena school ache ama mo sua ade eno ne ya me ha me na se
okay mami okay me pa cho
ya ka kuna
me pa macho okay yo me pa cho me bisa free education me bisa me nua ba ya asebu ya wo abusuani bi wo ya NDC kanokre wo abusuani bi FAC enya asomfa so
free education ni ba ko ni last one oko Ghana free education obi nka se enya papa papa but for me the first enya papa because before I know free school free no enya free sa before now we only private school no ka we born me more than 7,000 more than 70 million before ko bet ye no be ko class more than 1,000 before be ko school 3 weeks and now 1 month no be 3 months no quite teacher wa ma ko ofie baba on the 3rd January I saw me school in the free education no be anga senya but ko only ba me enya ya bari ya baba ye ni yie
mo ba wo be ye ni yie mo na wo be ye ni yie
because I don't know the buy our constitution education enya ekufa no the buy education enya ekufa no the buy tama ye kwa constitution kwa no na the buy but tama ye kwa constitution omo mu ba no mese no ekufa do papa mu no mese no omo give constitution mu ba ye ba jeli time na edi be che constitution mu say ye be call it progressive free the progressive never starting kakla on 2016 2015 2016 mama committee progressive free no ka say to we need 2016 obe biem na de na obi akon free that am not o see yi blocks editi wo nti am before no omo no say ye no ye no mu omo so ade omo ye
abusia natural say abatu ono okay abusia for natural say abatu ono ana just say you go so na nche na say ba beto aba eni ti ma hu say NDC for ne magunu no wo mani abiri ya kasa acha say na no mo so mo ye green eni ti no manya be ba cha obeba opposition ama me why
you for me praise banito anya so otum constituency youth organizer
okay yo let's say when I wear the youth organizer and then when I commander let's say when I command the youth you know NDC mabunu no so munyina mo ye green wave no na but aya ewo mu ene de
abotaye woman is say pese yen send signal Emma the whole Ghana no more who says 7 December no about on a year kono year 2 more Beatrice NDC and NDC has already win the elections before even on the 7th. And I've been making sure said the next 30 minutes no Accra is going to be stand still. Within the next 30 minutes. Stand
GDA say Yera John Dramani Mahama say ne yeto abama na so be mampanyina amamuo na ye dendenje no to say sika ni o manim na asefo no ni na beba fo
oh say onu ankasa waka si sika no omo awia no say ye ba beji sasika ni nia onu ankasa aka en say beji sasika ni nia en na tax ni nyama e be hwe nyama mu be emre obi anim tama joma ma wo ho 8 years ago ni this time say ye comparison no aya e betumi a kire wow and then Ghana is going to be very sad na ye person economy no and we are going to turn everything around within the next 100 days to come after Yaba power.
Bisabi mu say amanfo bi ne wo keka say sisi anom aman na emu aye de no kaka ne say adu abato amremu a still emu aye de no free NPP for ne mo NDC for no a mo tonton ne ma no mo the prices akaka mo ne ma ho so da ba ya obi beto abeka so amamuo na ye de e ka ne say NPP amamuo na ye de ya beto abanko ne se mo na mo the prices atoto mo ne ma so ama say amamuo ne bua aye de sa
asem where wo kan dey say anyam wanwa because ono opening no ankasa wo beba so no tronko an odi na odi ba so na wa sa wo hwa wana wo hwe store se we wo NDC store wo he na wo beka say store we ye NDC store se mi come anyama bo ayedi most of the stores no kwa boso kan most of them are NPP people and this anyama bo ayedi omo aboso kan no mo atumu na NDC bia ye ni store bia wo beka say we NDC store nti ya tu nyama nan ka say Ghana de badi nyama bo ba edin say sure answer no mo beba no not dollar to the cedis no for cedi 50 pesos almost in buy di no do but so mo making sure say ni be stable but they see no dollar cedi to a dollar no 17 and they say wow be sure mo say be bia dada and ti mo nkongo ka say ye na ya man krofo atututu nyama most of the stores are for the MPPs and they say say mo kan there o mo ntro no a mo dey kan di ba power no enu abim no mo ato aso no and they amfa Ghana for no anim Ghana is crying for the change Ghana itself is crying for the change and this election is not about NDC against MPP it's Ghana against MPP
the election is Ghana against MPP action
John Dramani Mahama, victory is ours. Inshallah, victory will be ours.
Na say social media no so uhu ni ama hodo a yewra na dan kwa akofo ado all commission uhu bi so be say
most of nyama now all commission most of them started way back in 2016 flower pot flyover we 2016 to na started so I dey person come we long time and you say na yes some we sub project long time since 2016 Mama started our projects be are commission in Mama project or started 2016. I some community. We are commission. I don't know what's we significant about it. I say bonus.
Okay, all commissioning in Mahama.
I started 2016. Before even 2020, I completed those projects. Bible payment, having our Bible commission flower pots. And you want Ghanaians to clap for you. Oh no, come on, we are far above that.
Okay, my nyanensi say, here we are John Dramani Mahama, Oba, obey free education, obey chem, and who is
free SHS, free SHS. Mimi mo Mrs. Tapini, Mimi Dinichi, no Kuswa cry, or cry. At the end of final year, that was what she was in Form 3. No, you have 5 Ghana cedis only for fees. The rest, there was nothing like as any free. It was free from 2016 before they even left power. We gave them the idea of free SHS. They came, they didn't plan well, and they executed it poorly. And up to now, the students that all the people who are the students who completed free SHS from 2020, 2021, 2022 up to date, none of them could have passed. They performed poorly. Even me, I'm a product of free SHS. I failed. I don't lie to you. Our teachers weren't paying attention than those days when we were paying school fees for students to go and learn. And teachers would put in their best to allow the students to learn. But as of now, this free SHS, the food they are feeding them, the way they are implementing these teachings and everything is poor. Come on, if they are willing to let these Ghanaians to benefit from education, come on, they should even put the best. Let it like the infrastructure. We are implementing free education with no facilities. Students sleeping outside, no classrooms. Come on, like everything is poor about this free SHS, and this up to now, since 2016 up to 2024, they are still campaigning about free SHS that they are doing a lot. Come on, it's not fair. We Ghanaians have seen it. We know green and we know red.
So Mahama, obe chairman I want chairman.
The true meaning of free SHS.
Okay, what's a misa maybe sound say? A year can say, here are John Dramani Mahama, the policy no. A year can 24-hour economy, ubet much the mama.
Oh, 24-hour economy, very simple. Formula 133. Then Formula 133. Nipan say oye juma. Nipan say onipa ye juma bank. Oye juma bank no. Nipa ye juma baako. Ako ye juma baako no. Obi be call 8 hours after 8 hours. Na nipa obi a on fia wa wie ni school a oye okuta we no. On so benya akonya ere. Aba nti na ya che no Formula 1233. 133. Oh, ya che no 3. Ni one job, 3 people, 3 shifts. And we are very simple. Enya ade e hu bia say oh we bia.
Adwuma bia na betimi aye bi.
Oh, adwuma no dey once me field say yemfa no electrical side. What you say? Me tama me wie me electrical way no ye door so. O check site a nipa nimu a on frɛ we adwuma. Oh, the mama bana say the policy one or the 24-hour economy ne ba ebeboa me ko 8 hours a me ba fie me nua na on susu ya bi no on so be dey ebeko ba say bed ni nyina beda me nko a me so a 8 hours me akoma pom abeda adwuma e bia me nua no so ni adwuma on bed ni be ba beda me so me minim say me wie me 8 hours a me nua bi be dey ebeko bi enu e very simple nya ade ehu bia omo dey propaganda say e wa brochire 24-hour economy omo ye da UK Germany bibia omo ye ho nti ade anya bibia ehu bia sa.
What is so here John Dramani Mahama the policy no say our poultry farm policy woman obeti ma show you kakra.
Okay, concerning the poultry farm no obi be hu ni say enya adepa at first nanka kosia crate ya 20 cedis say kobisa kosia crate ya dia ma cheap price camp 75 cedis it no so say but then nko kom me hu ni say maybe or the ma obaye o mo kakran acha roughly 6 months, 7 months. Almost start here to Nkosia. And on the Bema Nkosia na de ebu. Say akoko nam kekekra. Ya free outside neighbor. Nkosia ubeje the same Nkosia be on my ya free outside neighbor. It's no so say. Until ube on near the akoko abe. Ya ma akoko mienu say yen. Ube yen on my within 6 months. Na mwana enyi na woku no ayo ade. Eno mpe opede bio. Ekoko ne krampo no eden ya ubenya oba ubenya bema. Eden ya ombeden. Some be de ombe na oma wo. Na ye bebre ama. Until umpe no opede yen bio. Otiwo onye adwuma no o train day ye ko free SHS me we school 3 years ni mitifie. I used to work at MTN but due to some data ma me wo fie ne say because some be promote me no am ka cha me say me feda me school answer ba mama wo hoi oye ma obi ade bi ono onye pese me nkuminya onye school o pese kakra na wakọ adru na fa ye bibi na fa boa o man no say tax at first na toll booth ewo honom no ni etimi enya ska wom etimi de ye enema bebre ba say wa close toll booth tax no oba beje wo me honom adwuma be na me ya oba beje tax wo me honom na odi aye onema peso ye me cha from barrier to nsawom kwan na o se wo ye ko hwe de kwan na ye almost scanning ma into omejai from osino kono ekosi jejeti ho nso se wo ye ba honom ko hwe de kwan na ubedu traffic me fa ho Saturday we ya oni me di traffic so from Bunsu Junction ekokosi anyinem ete no so so waje asase wo Kumase kwan ne so ba bi se o ye airport ko hwe de ho aye oma pamo adwadifo afiri ho ho ni nyina agusu da ho no eti wo twan se hwan na mbrambe se a uti we o de ka o ya we ze o de ka ba bebre na anim so mo de ka ente no so so moma yen sesem na ye ho nte free SHS no enye free na mahama so njina ba bia anka say oba be cancel free SHS no onka asase ni ye mom oba be ye ni ye owo honum sa ni schools no see e-block schools no see aboa ye mu bebre aboa e-blocks bebre na so kan room hospitals akan room eti ano so so eti mmaye yen sesem na ye ho.
A very big hello to all our lovely Tap Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Tap Send is there, and you would know that right now you are not able to use Tap Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we Tap Send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say, though, that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say, though, is just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions. We are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build Tap Send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build Tap Send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Tap Send. Papa no.